Hello everybody, this is Priya Singh from GPGC English Club. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. As you all know, India is one of the leading countries in the field of science and technology. India was the first country to reach Mars in the first attempt, and during COVID-19, India produced not only one but two indigenously developed vaccines. For this great scientific heritage, we shall always be thankful to Sir C.V. Raman, who ignited the path for the scientists to pursue science in the national interest. So this video is a tribute to the great personality Sir C.V. Raman, and along the way we are going to learn some interesting words. Let's begin.
Sir C.V. Raman is a pioneer of modern science in India. A pioneer is a person who is one of the first to develop an area of human knowledge, culture, etc. Pioneer को हिंदी में पथ प्रदर्शन कहते हैं. He is one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. He was born on 7th November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli.
He asked the questions, why is the sea blue and how soap bubbles are so colorful? Answer to these questions led him to study the scattering of light and discover the Raman effect in 1928.
He became the first Asian to receive Nobel Prize in 1930. In 1954, he received the Bharat Ratna, which is India's highest honor. He received a Lenin Peace Prize in 1957 in Kremlin, Russia. रसिया में बहुत सारी बिल्डिंगें और रोड्स के नाम सीवी रमन के नाम पर हैं. He received a knighthood from the Royal Society of London in 1929 and was given the title of Sir.
He also headed the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, as the first Indian director. He was educated in India. He did most of his research in India. He went on to earn the reputation of internationally celebrated physicist.
National Science Day is celebrated neither on the death anniversary nor on the birth anniversary of Sir C.V. Raman, but on the day when he made his groundbreaking discovery. Groundbreaking means original and important. National Science Day is celebrated on 28th of February to mark the discovery of Raman effect.
Today, the Raman effect is used in medicine, surgery, remote sensing, geology, and many other fields. रमन प्रभाव का सबसे अधिक प्रत्यक्ष या सार्वजनिक उपयोग हवाई अड्डों, मेट्रो स्टेशनों, मॉल और सुरक्षा के अन्य स्थानों में देखा जा सकता है, जहां विस्फोटकों और दवाओं का पता लगाने के लिए स्कैनर का उपयोग किया जाता है.
India assumed the G20 presidency on December 1, 2022. And keeping in sync with it, the basic theme for National Science Day 2023 is Global Science for Global Well-being. The word sync is a short form of synchronize, which means to work well together or to be in agreement with something or someone else.